Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you joined me today. Today, we're going to do some very easy Christmas tags that are absolutely adorable. But first, let's have our shout out to Jane, Ellen, Alice, Marie, Nancy, Billy, and Heather. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, all you need to do is get yourself some double-sided cardstock, okay? Get your double-sided cardstock and go ahead and cut it in the shape of your tag that you desire, whatever shape that would be. Then I got my corner rounder right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut the top off like we do when we make a tag, and then you take this little piece and you pop it right on the other side, and you use it as a template to cut the other side so it's even. All right, now what we're going to do is I am going to grab my black ink and I am going to ink around all of this. So I'm going to begin, and then I will be right back with how that looks. All right, you guys, so I've rounded the bottoms right here with the corner rounder, and I saved my little pieces and I inked the pieces as well. Okay, so I'm going to use this side as the journaling side. So this, I'm going to take these little pieces that we cut off at the corners, and we are going to glue them right on the front of this card. So it's going to be like this. Just like that. I'm going to get the other one, and I'm going to put that on here. There we go. Now, got glue coming out. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this one. Now let's see, this one's this way. Do we want to do it this way and have you journal on this side and put the decoration on here? Let's do it for just to show you what that looks like. So any way you do it is perfect, as long as you can journal on that one side. On the side that you choose for journaling. And if you can't, you can always put a little piece of coffee dyed paper on there to journal on. So you could still use your paper. Okay, so now we look like this. So cute. It almost looks like it's folded down. It does. To me it does. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my hole punch, and I have no idea what happened to my one that I really like, but I can't tell where the hole's going to go in this one. It's just, I don't like it so well. But anyway, this is the one I have right now, so I'm using it. So I've got this just like that, and next I'm going to get those hole savers. I thought this was a full one. Here, this one will work. Hole savers, and take your ink that you used to ink around the edge and just color your hole saver. I'm going to need one more. Maybe I can just go ahead and cover over that one. Oh, why not, right? Okay, so then we're going to just put them right here. Just like that. I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to do the other side. Okay. Oh my goodness, they're looking so cute, aren't they? Oh my goodness, they're looking so cute. Okay, let's decorate. All right, I have some red grosgrain ribbon right here, and I'm just going to pull it through. Actually, probably should, I'm going to glue that shut, I do believe. I have some black lace. I'm not sure how this is going to look, but let's give it a try. I might pull it through this way. It's not bad. That's not bad at all. I think I want a little larger or longer piece right there. Okay, I have a little longer piece. Pull this through. I need to put it through this way. Oh yes, that's much cuter that way. There we go. So cute so far. Okay, now we need a little something to decorate it with. So I'm going to get my little folder that we made, and let's see here. That one's cute on there. Maybe I like the Santa. Do I have anything with black? Let's see what's inside here. Just trying a few things out. I almost need something a little darker right there. You can carry a big one. We could carry that big image there. Kind of thinking maybe I like this Santa, or how about a tree? Okay, let's put these big images there. I'm just going to slip this right back in here so they don't get away from me. There we go. Oops, don't get caught in there. Oh, wait a second. We've got this one. I didn't see that one before. No, this one I think is really much better for that. So I'm going to ink these images and then we will glue them down. Alrighty, let's get some glue on here and glue them down and then further decorate. I've got some washi here. I think on the tree we might add some bling, maybe like Christmas light type of look. My goodness, you guys, these are so cute and so easy to do. So how about a little bit of, oh, I kind of like that green on there. Let's see about putting a little piece of washi, just a little something for a little weight down here at the bottom. Nope. Maybe like this. There's a little bit more glue right here, that's the problem. I do like that, and possibly a little on the back side, maybe like right here. That will work, and I have some red washi here, and I'm thinking maybe we could put it right here at the bottom. I need to cut this off a little more. I do like that, and I'm thinking maybe some up at the top. Maybe I need to make it straighter since these are lines. Whoop, that's not very straight. See if I can make that straight. That's much, much better. Okay, now let's put a little bit of washi to carry that theme and decoration onto the back. So cute, right, you guys? Oh my goodness gracious. And so easy. Okay, now I think we'd like a little bling on here. I'm going to open up my little jewels, and I am going to just dot a couple of, actually more than a couple, but a few little things of glue right here, and then I think I'd like to maybe at least put one there. And then I'm going to get my pen. I'm going to dip it in the glue, and then we're going to go ahead and put them on. So I'm going to put these on, and then I'm going to show you what the end results looks like. Okay, you guys, I added some red bling right here, and excuse me. Okay, guys, I don't know where that came from, but I added some red bling right here like berries on that greenery, oh my goodness, I think this tag looks adorable. You guys are so simple and easy. And I added some red and gold bling on the Christmas tree so it sparkles a little bit. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love these. You guys, they're so much fun. They're so easy. You gotta try it. Subscribe to my videos if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Give me a thumbs up if you like this idea. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!